Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So yesterday we did the Walgreens ad preview. Today I want to do the CVS ad preview for next week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I do post videos almost every single day. Earlier today, I went to Dollar General and posted a video on some amazing deals that you can do during the week. You don't even have to wait until the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon. I will be doing a Saturday haul at Dollar General as well using that coupon, so stay tuned on the channel for that. I did choose a second winner for the merchandise giveaway. I posted the winner in the Walgreens ad preview. So if you haven't checked it out, I haven't heard from the winner yet, so it could be you. The link to that video will be in the description box as well as at the end of the video. So Walgreens, there are some amazing deals next week. Amazing digital boosters that we got, like 18 or 19 boosters, which I have never ever seen before. So I did post that on my Instagram and my community tab. Hopefully CVS will also have some amazing deals going on. So let's go ahead and check out this ad. Pantene, we have for 3 for $12. If you have a 3 off of 12 Pantene or hair care CRT, definitely want to pair that in. There is a $3 off 3 digital coupon. I'm hoping we're going to get another digital coupon, and I'm hoping that's not the digital they gave us once this month. Fingers crossed. Then when you buy 3, you're going to get a $4 extra buck. So that is going to be a really hot deal if we get an additional one. So fingers crossed. Any Colgate total, spend 8, get a $4 extra buck. You can print some coupons on Colgate.com for that. We have a mystery offer for Physicians Formula, Cosmetics, or Neutrogena Facial Care or Cosmetics. And there are a ton of Ibotta rebates for Neutrogena, so that could be something really good to use. We'll have to see what the value is on Sunday. You do have to get those from the red box. Those will not show up in your app. Maybelline, we're getting another mystery offer, and it's buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, which is awesome. L'Oreal Cosmetics, the Lash Paradise, spend 15, excludes the Lash Paradise. Spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 3. This is a good deal. I got this a couple weeks ago when they had this deal again, and I just started using the Beauty Blender, and I absolutely love it. So this end, it's covered up here, but it's like a pointy end. It's amazing to like blend in your concealer under your eyes to get rid of any dark circles or anything. This flat part I use to spread the BB cream or foundation, whatever I feel like using for the day, but I absolutely love it. And we are getting some CoverGirl coupons, so that could be a really good deal to do. Sometimes we'll get like a 3 off 15 CoverGirl CRT as well, so fingers crossed. Lay's and Doritos, the better deal is at CVS. Walgreens next week, it's 2 for $5, so you'll be saving an additional $1 to be grabbing those at CVS. Banana Boat, buy 1, get 1 half off. We are getting $2 coupons, and buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So that could be a pretty good deal. There was an amazing deal on sunscreen that I did this week in my Walmart Ibotta haul. I used Shopkick and Ibotta. We got 2 Alba sunscreens for like $3.81. There was 2 off of 2 coupons like in the display that you could grab to use as well. So definitely check out that video if you haven't. It is certainly time. Summer is here for us to be using some sunscreen, so that'll be some good deals to stock up on. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck for L'Oreal Preference. 2 for 2 on Pepsi Mountain Dew. That's a pretty good deal there. Reese's Thins. I haven't tried that yet. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think of Reese's Thins if you've tried them before. I like the standard Reese's because I feel like the peanut butter to chocolate ratio is like perfect. The super thick ones or like the extra stuffed ones are not really my favorite because I feel like you're just like eating a tub of peanut butter. It's kind of weird, but that's just my opinion. Spend $25, get a $10 extra buck on any Schick razors, refills, disposables, Edge, or Skintimate shave gel. We're getting a $3 send to card coupon as well. I believe we still have coupons that are valid for these, so especially if you have a shave CRT, throw that in there. That could be a good deal. Spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. I still don't have any Tide coupons. Hopefully they'll be sending us these coupons because I've got to start stocking up on more Tide products and P&G products because my region does not get the Tide in it. You have to print it. And I feel like half the time I try to print coupons from pgeveryday.com, it doesn't work and it'll just load and load and load and drives me nuts. So really got to get on that for sure next time. This will be a good deal though. Tide Pods and Tide Laundry. Hopefully we'll get some more 3 off of 15 laundry care CRTs. That would be awesome. Yellowtail is just $5.99. You're going to get a $2 extra buck as well when you buy one. It is a limit of one. So if you buy multiple, they'll still be the same price point, but you're not going to get the extra buck back multiple times. Typically, when we have this deal, we have an Ibotta rebate, but I already checked and we don't. So your final cost would be $3.99. I did just get another Ibotta bonus that popped up, $10 back for 30 rebates. It's called like the splash bonus or something like that. Cash splash bonus. Yeah. So double check your accounts. I'm definitely going to be trying to hit that, of course. So you'll be seeing more Ibotta hauls on my channel every week. Copper Tone, 2 for $19.98, $5 extra buck on 2. There were some coupons or something floating around. I'll have to see the expiration date on those, see if that'll still be a good deal. And then when there wasn't coupons, we had some Ibotta rebates. But I checked and I don't see any Ibotta rebates for Copper Tone anymore. So that may just be the final numbers there. Snuggle and Alls, $2.99, and this is going to be part of the spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. And we're getting coupons in our Sunday paper. We're getting 2 inserts, one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. $2.94 for Tide and 40 count bounce. I believe there's dollar printable coupons on the PG Everyday website. This is also a good deal currently right now at Dollar General. There's a dollar digital coupon, so you can get that for $1.94. If you add that in your Saturday, 5 off 25, of course, even better deal. Okay, what else? 1 gallon milk, buy one, get a $1 extra buck. I believe that is a regional deal. One of my subscribers too reached out about, she saw a photo someone had posted on Instagram for a Gillette deal at Walgreens. And there are some deals that are regional. She sent me a screenshot of what her Walgreens ad looked like in the app, and I sent her a screenshot of the same page, and some of them had a little bit of different deals. So keep that in mind as well, which I didn't even realize that. I thought Walgreens had pretty much the same deals, but learn something new every day. Okay, natural sparkling water, 12-ounce cans, 2 for $5. This is for the 8-pack, $1 extra buck on 2. Pringles, 3 for $5. The better deal is at Walgreens. They're going to be 3 for $3 or $1 each. So if you like some Pringles, better deal is at Walgreens. Buy 2, get the 3rd free. Walgreens is a better deal as well. They are 3 for $10.99. So that'll save you a lot more than CVS. Okay, 25% off regular retail on all of these items. We have AHA 2 for $7. Nothing else really popping out. There are some Voss rebates on Saving Star, I believe it was, and possibly Swag Bucks as well. So they're 2 for $6. Saving Star, I know, was $1 back when you buy 2. Remember, when you're using Saving Star, you do have to activate the rebate before you go shopping, and you have to link your card for some of the different stores. So you want to make sure that you check your app and make sure that you have everything linked up. Then when you type in your phone number when you're checking out, it'll like automatically send the information to Saving Star. Honestly, not sure how that works, but that way you'll wind up getting your cash back. $2 extra buck when you spend 10 on any of these products. And for Voss, there is a $1 back on Swag Bucks when you buy 2. So your final cost on those would be 2 for $4. So I did check that real quick for you guys. What else? $3 extra buck when you spend 10 on any of these. Kit Kat, if you saved that $1 off 2 instant coupon, next week, not this week, next week would be completely free because you're getting $1 extra back. I already used mine, unfortunately, but I tried this one too. Not bad. I haven't tried the birthday cake. Walgreens has a good deal. They're 75 cents each, and there's a digital coupon for 88 cents off 2. So your final cost winds up being like 63 cents for both or something like that. This, of course, would be a freebie, which is awesome. If not, it's 2 for $1 or 50 cents each. So Walgreens would be a little bit cheaper. Okay, let's see. Physicians Formula. I actually use this sometimes as like eyeshadow. I'll use this bronzer. I really like it. It's really awesome. Spend $25, get a $15 extra buck. And we are getting that mystery coupon at the coupon center, so don't forget. Spend $15, get a $5 extra buck on L'Oreal Cosmetics. The L'Oreal Paris Mascara Loyalty Program, buy 4, get the 5th free. We also have any L'Oreal Lash Paradise will be just $7.99. You're going to get a $3 extra buck. There is a $2 printable coupon from coupons.com. And if you have the $4 instant coupon from the current week, it makes it free and a $1 moneymaker. So that'll be a great deal as well. Neutrogena, buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. We'll have to check Ibotta again, see if we have any good rebates coming for Neutrogena. Ome, that's not a good deal. Joa Cosmetics, spend 12, get a 4. Sally Hansen, spend 15, get a 5. Another mystery offer. Oh no, that's the same mystery offer. Okay, I was going to say, we are getting a ton. So this is the same one that was mentioned on the first page. So when you spend $30 on any of these products, you're going to get a $10 extra back. So that could probably be a good deal, especially Eucerin. We usually get a lot of coupons and CRTs. You have lotion CRTs. If you have facial care CRTs, anything like that, can probably put together a pretty good deal. Aveeno, spend 30, get an 8. Dove, buy 1, get 1 half off. The better deal is at Walgreens the current week or Walgreens next week because they're buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get 1,000 points. Definitely nothing to write home about, but still a good deal. And always check Fetch Rewards. My account right now is showing Dove Men Plus Care. You're getting 1,000 points back each, up to 5 per receipt. I've seen some other people post on Instagram that they have 1,000 back on the regular Dove, which I'm super jealous about because I had to buy Dove Men's, but that is okay. Any L'Oreal facial care, spend 30, get a $10 extra back. This is usually like free or money makers or something because you're going to get a $3 beauty buck as well because you're spending $30 in beauty products, and this does count towards beauty. I've been getting some $7 off L'Oreal Age Perfect CRTs. I've also been getting 5 off of 15 L'Oreal facial care CRTs. So we're spending $30, so you would be able to use 2 of those $15 off CRTs. So that would be another $10 off, which would be awesome. So I will put together a deal for this for you guys. Okay, let's keep going. More hair care deals, $4 extra buck on 2 for L'Oreal. Hopefully we'll get like a nice printable or something like that because 2 for $4 is definitely not the best deal. Buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 3, get a 5. There's no coupons again. I really hope we'll get some good Tresemme coupons. I feel like we haven't had any in quite a while. Okay, get a $4 extra buck when you buy 3. Same deal that was on the front page. These are 2 for $12, 2 off of 2 digital. What else? John Frieda, $5 extra buck when you buy 2. $3 off 2 in the Sunday paper. So it's like getting $8 in total savings on 2 of them. Spend 20, get a $7 extra buck. L'Oreal Sun Care, buy 2, get a 5. Tom's, if you like that hand soap or personal care deodorant, we haven't had a deal on this in a while. So it's buy 1, get 1 half off, and buy 2, get a $3 extra back. Okay, now for some oral care deals. We are getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. If you get the $3 whitening treatment or kit CRT, I always send that one to my card. The trick to using that one is when you send it to your card, you can click, shop this deal, I think it says, and it'll pull up every single item that CRT will attach to. So that's how I try to make sure that I'm buying the right items. So those are going to be $3.99 for Crest, Oral-B, or Scope Oral Care. So when you're buying 3 of them, you'd be at $11.97. Using that 5 off of 3 digital coupon, you would pay $6.97, get back a $5 extra back. But if you have that $3 whitening CRT, then you'll pay just $3.97, get back a $5 extra buck, making it over $1 moneymaker. If you have a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT as well, then it's going to be a $4 moneymaker. So stay tuned. I will put together some oral care deals for you guys, of course, as well. Visine, there was a $1.50 cash back. I think it's going to be expired by next week on Ibotta. There is a $1 coupon. We have a $4.99 is going to be the price point, which is awesome. Some of these are up to like $9.50 in the store. So your final cost would be $3.99. Blood pressure monitors, buy one, get a $15 extra buck. Spend 30, get a 10 on Poise and Depends. Ensure, $7.99, buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. Anything else? Spend 40, get a $10 extra buck on any of these baby products. Get a $10 e-gift card when you spend $40 on any Pampers product. There are some Send-to-Card coupons as well, so that's pretty cool. And this is the last page here. We have Welly First Aid products. Spend 10, get a $3 extra buck. Always good to have some first aid stuff. I like to keep one in the truck, couple in the house. That way, God forbid anything happens, you are prepared. TheraWorks Relief Spray or Foam. Spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. Summer's Eve, buy one, get one half off. 25% off regular price for Muscle Milk or PB Fit or PFit B, probably PB Fit. Anyway, there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate for Muscle Milk. And nothing else here. Aleve, spend 20, get a $6 extra buck. The better deal is the current week. It's spend 20, get an $8 extra buck. So I did that deal. It wound up being a moneymaker, or should have been a moneymaker if it worked out at checkout. So check out my CVS haul video if you're looking for a cheap deal to get some Aleve. And that is the end of the video. If you haven't checked out the Walgreens ad preview to see if you are the winner of the second piece of merchandise, click this video here in the top left. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.